You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing but useful vocabulary in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. The top word is the noun suggestion. Suggestion. Stress on that second syllable. Both British and American English are similar here. The bottom word here is the verb suggest. Stress on the second syllable. Suggest. Suggest and suggestion. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations and learn more English. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. It helps me immensely making more of this. Thanks for this, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.